Hi students, my name is Marta Ligia Leal, and in this video we will talk about the scientific revolution and the important influence it had in ending absolutist regimes. The scientific revolution was a movement that took place between the 15th and the 18th centuries. During this period of time, amazing discoveries took place in scientific areas such as physics, mathematics, astronomy, chemistry, and biology. These discoveries made people question what was believed for many centuries. In particular, the church's ideas were doubted. New ways of thinking about the natural world emerged. These would ensure changes in aspects such as politics, religion, economics, and sociology. The ideas of scientists made it possible for people to base findings through reason and not dogma. Dogma is a belief in which religious indoctrination cannot be questioned. For example, God created the earth in 7 days. Let's review the work of some of the most influential scientists that participated in the scientific revolution. To begin with, Nicholas Copernicus established the heliocentric theory, which stated that the sun was the center of the universe and all planets revolved around it. This theory greatly opposed that of Ptolemy, who said that the earth was the center of the universe. Later on, Johannes Kepler discovered that the motion of the planets around the sun was elliptical and not circular. Also, he established that the sun was at the end of the ellipsis. Thanks to Galileo Galilei, who perfected the telescope, discoveries were made in space that would prove the ideas of Copernicus and Kepler. Another valuable discovery was offered by Isaac Newton, who is considered to be the greatest genius of the period. He brought together the work of previous scientists, but his greatest contribution was the universal law of gravitation, in which he said that every object in the universe is attracted to every other object. In the field of biology, William Harvey, through the dissection of bodies, discovered that the heart, and not the lungs, was responsible for the circulation of blood throughout the human body. Also, Edward Jenner was responsible for introducing the first vaccine for smallpox. In the field of chemistry, Blaise Pascal, among others, experimented on how liquids behaved under pressure. Women at this time also played an important role in the scientific revolution. For example, Margaret Cavendish, an English natural philosopher, criticized the ideas of important scientists and doubted that the humans were the masters of the universe. Her writings produced debates and in-depth analysis on what scientists had offered at this time. It is also worth mentioning the contribution of Maria Wilkenman, who discovered the first comet. Along the scientific discoveries came important thinkers such as René Descartes, who argued that the reason is the main source of knowledge, and on the other hand, Francis Bacon about the need to collect and analyze evidence. Careful observation, by which processes went through, along with the scientific method, proved ideas right or wrong and established documentation for new theories. These were some of the main ideas of the scientific revolution, which intellectuals of the 18th century used to re-examine all aspects of life, especially those imposed by the Church and the reign of absolutist rulers in different parts of Europe. I hope that with this video you have a greater understanding of the impact of the scientific revolution in the world. I must remind you that it is important to go and do further research on this very interesting event in history. Thanks for watching.